Hey everyone, it's Danny here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to tell if your thermostat on your prep cooler is faulty or not. So the first step is make sure the unit is plugged in. As you can see, my unit here is plugged in. Here's the prep cooler that we are working on right now, and what I'm going to do, the first step is locate the thermostat. So we got the thermostat here. Putting it on number, say, 4. Actually, this knob's not even on right, so I'll put it on correctly. There you go. So we're gonna put it on number 4, or whatever number, just not on off. And what you want to see is the condensing unit down here should be working. Right now, nothing's working down here. Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but the fan blade's not turning. The compressor is not on. So the problem is that we are not getting power to our condensing unit. So the first step is to take out the thermostat, and what I'm going to do is bypass the thermostat and then see if my condensing unit starts. So in order to do that, the first thing I have to do is unplug the unit. So I'm going to do that now. Down here. Get my screwdriver. It's down here. See if I can hold that there for you guys. I'm gonna take out the 2 screws. One there, one here. It looks like someone has already tried to fix this and couldn't, so we'll see if I can fix it. And now you should take off this whole cover here, but what I like to do is I just like to grab from underneath and pull it all the way out until you get the 2 cables, the 2 wires that go to the thermostat. Unplug them both, and you just use your alligator clips and bypass it, and just jump the 2 wires. So now that I've jumped the 2 wires, as you can see, the thermostat is no longer hooked up. And now, since I've jumped the thermostat, I've put it out of the system, and what I'm going to do now is plug it in. And as soon as I plug it in, if the condensing unit starts, I know that I have a bad thermostat. And obviously, if it doesn't start, I know that there's a wiring problem. So let's go ahead, plug it in, and see what happens. So I'm plug it in now. And yes, there you go. The fan blade is turning, I don't know if you guys can see, and my compressor started. So that's how you tell if your thermostat is faulty or not.